Okay.
Okay. Hi guys, Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I just want to show you a few new things we've got today, okay? We've got new bars here. We've got key lime bars, we have orange bars, we have lemon bars, we've also got peppermint bars, peanut butter bars. These are all coconut based, okay? We've got the Mounds bars, the mocha bars, and then we've got maple walnut. So that's about 9 different flavors of bars where the base is coconut, and they're super, like the bars are basically coconut and egg whites, and that's it. And then you just flavor them with other things, and they're absolutely delicious. We make a lot because we sell a lot. So come visit and see the bars. The other thing we got new here is I had a customer told me that I should take these bombs and make them into bars, and so I did, okay? So what I'm doing now is we are going to have bombs and bars. We're gonna have peppermint chocolate, which is this one. And again, this is all coconut oil. You're literally just eating coconut oil. I mean, there's a few other ingredients, but the main ingredient in here is coconut oil. So there's nothing better for your heart and your body and everything than coconut oil. So we're gonna have peppermint bars, we're gonna have orange dark chocolate bars, raspberry dark chocolate bars, Nutella copycat bars, we're gonna have mocha bars. So those 5 flavors, I'm gonna make them into bars like this. I'm gonna make them into bombs like this. And I'm also gonna take the hormone bombs that have the nuts and seeds in them and just put the peppermint flavor in here and the raspberry flavor and just different flavors, so you can get a nutty bar that's also got a fruity flavor in it. That'll be fruity, nutty, delicious, you know, without all the carbs. Okay guys, so that's just something new we're gonna have starting Saturday. So today's Tuesday, give me 4 days. I'll get it done. Okay, come see us in the Davison Farmers Market Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com. Thanks for watching. God bless you.